Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brad. This is Firefighter's Financial Toolbox. 2021 is here and people are asking what stock should I buy? Now, as you guys know, I feel the easiest way to get your coverage is just to buy an index fund or an ETF and be done with it. Buy a S&P 500 ETF or a total stock market index and leave it alone. But a lot of people want to do more. A lot of people want to play the stock market. They want to get into individual stocks, and I understand that. I used to be a guy who never bought them, and now I do. Primarily, if I buy individual stocks, I buy them for dividends. So today I'm going to talk about 5 dividend stocks that I feel you can buy and hold forever. First one is the only one that I don't currently hold by itself, and the reason I don't hold it is because it makes up such a large section of S&P 500, and that's Apple. Now you guys, I'm not going to go into valuations and all that stuff, but let's just look at Apple from one perspective. The iPhone. The iPhone outsells all other smartphones by almost 10 to 1 worldwide. Add that in with the fact that people that buy Apple are very loyal. If you're a Mac user like I am, you buy nothing but Macs. You buy iPhones, you buy iPads. You are very brand loyal to Apple. This is something I don't see changing. Now, as a dividend stock, the dividend is not that big, but the growth in the company makes it a dividend growth stock. So that's number 1 on my list. Number 2 on my list is CocaCola, ticker symbol KO. Here's why. It's the biggest soft drink company on earth. Coke outsells all other soft drinks combined. Now, a lot of people will say that they are very limited in their other drinks, and I will say that is true, but they are a company, much like Apple, that is very brand loyal. And here's the thing, if Warren Buffett believes they're the best soft drink company, who am I to argue with him? Personally, I'm a Coke over Pepsi guy anyway, but this is a company with over 100 years of building a brand that people are loyal to. When you think of the Christmas commercials with the bears, it's always Coca-Cola, right? Anyway, enough about that. And Coca-Cola has a dividend of about 3%, a little over 3%. The next one on my list is a bank, you guys, the biggest bank in America, and that's JP Chase. Banks pretty much, we learned in 2007, can't fail in America. And JP Chase is the largest. Now, I realize there's been some other banks in there. I'm not going to say anything about them, Wells Fargo, but they've had problems. JP Chase has not had any problems. This is a stock that I currently hold for its dividend. Again, about, I think it's right around 3% right now. Okay, the next one on my list is a healthcare company, and that is Johnson & Johnson. How many of you can honestly raise your hand and tell me you didn't use Band-Aids when you were a child? When you fell down and cut your knee, Mom kissed it better and she put a Band-Aid on it. Johnson & Johnson is the Band-Aid company, right? And it's not just that. They make Tylenol, they make Motrin. They have a whole division that is looking for new drugs and new pharmaceuticals to help all kinds of different ailments. It's a company that everyone knows, and even though they've gone through a little bit of turmoil lately over some stuff, I feel like they are going to pull through and be fine. This is another company with a little over a 3% dividend. You guys, this is a company that you can hold forever. All right, number 5 on my list is a similar company in that it makes health and beauty aids, and that's Procter Gamble. Procter Gamble makes all kinds of things that you use in your household. Think of Tide, think of Downy, think of Bounce, think of Gain, think of all kinds of stuff that you use in your house. Gillette razors. This is another company that has a lot of interweavings into everyday life. These are companies, this is a company that even during a recession or downturn, they still need to wash their clothes. They still need to brush their teeth. This is a company that has built a solid brand with several different brands, and I feel is one that you can hold on forever. Again, around a 3% dividend. So as the company's price goes up, your yield on cost goes up. They pay you every quarter, these companies to hold their stock. Now, you guys, I'm not telling you these are companies that you should invest in. I think if you're going to invest in individual stocks, you need to do your own homework. You need to investigate it more than just, I know that company, or some guy on YouTube told me it's a good company. You guys, these are companies that I've picked. There's lots of other companies that I feel could make this list. This is my list. What about you guys? What companies would you put on your list of 5? Let me know in the comments. Let me know if you disagree with ones that I've put in there, and tell me why. Because you know what? I feel like in this community, interactivity and talking about these things educates us to some extent. Now, you guys, again, I'm not an investing professional. I don't want you to take this as investing advice. This is for education only. These are my opinions. This is what works for me. What works for you could be completely different. Anyway, welcome to 2021. I hope it's a lot better than last year, you guys. If you got something else, do me a favor. Drop me a thumbs up. It really helps the algorithm. If you're not already subscribed, you know the deal. Hit the red button, ring the bell. You'll get notified every time I make a video. All right, thanks a lot.